Find the number of zeros at the end. Find the number of zeros at the end. Find the number of zeros at the end. For first question. First question. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 and so on up to 100. First question. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 and so on up to 100. Second question. 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 into 10 and so on up to 100. And so on up to 100. Next one. 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 into 11 and so on up to 99. And so on up to 99. Next question. 8 into 16 into 24 into 32 and so on up to 800. Find the number of zeros at the end. Zeros at the end. It is trailing zeros. Next question. Next question. If you see here, 2 into 5 into 8 into 11 into 14 into 17 into 20. E. Next F question. 100 factorial plus 200 factorial. G. 200 factorial minus 100 factorial. H. 200 factorial by 100 factorial. I. 200 factorial into 100 factorial. Into 100 factorial. GHI. J. 91 into 92 into and so on up to 100. Various models we will discuss. Find the number of zeros at the end. First question is all even numbers till 100 added. Second question is all even numbers till 100 multiplied. Third question is all odd numbers till 99 multiplied. D is all the multiples of 8 till 800 multiplied. Now this is an AP series 2 into 5 into 8 into 11 into 14 into 17 into 20. Factorials are added. Factorials are subtracted. Factorials are divided. Factorials are multiplied. Factorials, it is not given. It is not given. One by one we will solve the questions. I hope it is clear. First question. Find the number of zeros at the end for 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 and so on up to 100 solutions. I will use a different color. 2 plus 4 plus 6 plus 8 and so on up to 100. So if I take 2 common, now these are all, Sn is nothing but n by 2 into first term plus last term. Sum of n terms in AP it is given by n by 2 into first term plus last term. Why it is n by 2 into first term plus last term? Sn by n. Sn by n is called average. Average in AP it is also called arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is given by first term plus last term by 2. Arithmetic mean in AP. What is an AP series? If the series has a common difference same, then it is an AP series. Sum of n terms in AP is n by 2 into first term plus last term. If you don't know, you can derive it by the definition. So, if I use this concept, Sn is n by 2. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. 2 50s are 100. Total 50 numbers are there. 50 by 2 into first term plus last term. Into first term plus last term. So it is 25 into 102. 25 into 102. Just for your understanding, I am writing it as 100 plus 2. 2500 plus 50. So answer is 2550. How many zeros are there at the end? Only 1 0 it is there at the end. So answer for the first question will be 1 0 is there at the end. Very, very simple. If the series is in arithmetic progression, sum of the terms is given by n by 2 into first term plus last term. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 50s are 100. N represents the number of terms, so n is 50. First term is 2, last term it is 100. 25 into 102. 102 can be written as 100 plus 2. 2500 plus 50. 2550. How many zeros are there at the end? 1 0 is there at the end. First question, it is over. Second one. What is the difference between the first question and the second question? Second question, the numbers are multiplied. First question, the numbers are added. 2, 4, 6 and so on up to 100. Second question, 2 into B, 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 and so on up to 100. 2 into 4 into 6 into 8 and so on up to 100. 2 can be written as 2 1s are, 4 can be written as 2 2s are, 6 can be written as 2 3s are, 8 can be written as 2 4s are, 100 can be written as 2 50s are. 2 2 2 2. 2 is multiplied twice, thrice, 4 times, 50 times. So it is 2 power 50 into, remaining it will be 1 into 2 into 3 and so on up to 50. 1 into 2 into 3 till 50. It is called 50 factorial. So 2 power 50 into 50 factorial. 2 power 50 into 50 factorial. Factorial is the collection of all the natural numbers from 1 to 50 multiplied in a sequential order. So power of 5s will be less. So it will be 2 power 50 into 50. How many are there? 2 25s are, 2 12s are, 2 6s are, 2 3s are and 2 1s are. So 10, 20 to 90s, 47 into 5 will be 5 10s are, 5 2s are. How many powers of 5 are there? 5 power 12 into k. So this will be 2 power 97 into 5 power 12 into k2. To get the number of trailing zeros, I need the highest power of 5. 2 into 5 power 12 into 2 power 85 into k2. So 10 power 12, it will have 12 zeros at the end. It will have 12 zeros at the end. Whenever you are doing the number of zeros at the end, you need the power of 2 as well as the power of 5. You need the power of 2 as well as the power of 5. I hope the idea it is clear. It is 2 power 50 into 50 factorial. 50 factorial highest power of 5 is 5 power 12, 2 power 97. So 2 into 5 power 12 into 2 power 85. 10 power 1 will have 1 0. 10 power 2 will have 2 zeros. 10 power 12 will have 2 zeros. One important note, each and every question, I will write some important notes. Note, find the number of trailing zeros. Find the number of trailing zeros. Number of trailing zeros in 2 power 37, 5 power 63, 2 power 37 into 5 power 17. Find the number of trailing zeros in 2 power 37, 5 power 63 and 2 power 37 into 5 power 17. Number of trailing zeros. Number of trailing zeros. It is a number of zeros at the end. Number of zeros at the end is the highest power of 10. 10 means I need a combination of 2 and 5. 10 means I need a combination of 2 and 5. So, number of trailing zeros, only power of 2. It will not give a multiple of 10. Only power of 5. It will not give a multiple of 10. Here, I need a combination of 2 and 5. 2 into 5 power 17 into 2 power 20. 10 power 1 will have 1 0. 10 power 2 will have 2 zeros. 10 power 17 will have 17 zeros at the end. 10 power 17 will have 17 zeros at the end. These are very, very important basic fundamentals. To get the number of zeros at the end, you need a combination of 2 and 5. Why? Because the number of zeros at the end will represent the highest power of 10. will represent the highest power of 10. Question number 1 over, question number 2 over. Now see here. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. Based upon this concept, the third question. 1 into 3 into 5 into 7 into 9 into 11. These are all odd numbers. To get the power of 10, we require at least a single power of 2 and a single power of 5. Single power of 2 does not come in this series. So the number of zeros in these. Third one answer is 0. Why? Because 10 is a combination of 2 and 5. Combination of 2 does not come in an odd number set. Combination of 2 does not come in an odd number set. D, what is the question? 8 into 6 into. Already we did this model. So let us do. Without getting fundamentals right, we will never get into problems. 8 into 16 into 24 into 32 and so on up to 800. 8 into 16 into 24 and so on up to 800. This can be written as, please do not write it as 8 into 100 factorial. In hurry, it is multiplication. It is multiplication. This is a mistake. 8 into 1, 8 into 2, 8 into 3, 8 into 4. So this can be written as 8 into 1, 8 into 2, 24 is 8 into 3 and so on up to 8 into 100. 8 is multiplied 100 times. 8 power 100 into 1 into 2 into 3 till 100. 100 factorial. 8 power 100 into 100 factorial. Already we have done good number of problems related to 100 factorial. It is 2 power 300. Why? Because 8 is 2 power 3. 100 factorial. Highest power of 2 is 97. Highest power of 5 is 24. Already we did. So we require 2 power 397 into 5 power 24 into k. So 2 into 5 power 24 into 2 power 373 into k. 10 power 1 will have 1 0 at the end. 10 power 24 will have 24 zeros at the end. Find the number of trailing zeros for this question. Answer is 24. Answer for this question is 24. I hope the idea it is clear. 8 into 1, 8 into 2. In hurry, during the exam time, in hurry, because of not having a non-pressure, because when you are writing an exam time is a pressure situation. It is like a batsman giving an easy catch to the slip. Easily in hurry, you will do this one, because in the process of getting more questions right, you end up solving the easy questions wrong. That is where you will slip down your percentile by at least 5 to 8 percentile. Most of the students who got around 90 to 95 percentiles in the CAT examination has actually got the potential to get 98 plus percentile. You spoiled it because of getting some incorrect answers. Why you got incorrect? It is just because of being impatient. Now, what is the another question? Another question. The series is in AP. 2 into 5 into and so on up to 20. Now, traditional method I will tell you, then optimal method when I am discussing I will. 2 into 5 into 8 into 11 into 14 into 17 into 20. Traditional method. Traditional method. Now listen carefully, sir. Traditional method. I want the number of trailing zeros. Some of the questions you will not find it in the regular textbook. Listen carefully. So only we require the number of trailing zeros. We require the number of trailing zeros. Trailing zeros is highest power of 2 and 5. Highest power of 2 and 5. We require highest power of 2 and highest power of 5. So these I require, these I require, these I require. 11 is not. So 14 I require, 17 I don't require. So the question, few terms are neglected. 2 into 5 into 8 into 14 into 20. Now if you see here, 20 it is 5 into 4. 5 into 5, 5 square. 5 square will definitely come if you multiply in this, because 8 itself is 4 into 2. So what is the number of trailing zeros for this number? Number of trailing zeros for this number will be 2, because we require a power of 2 and 5. If you see here, 2 can be written as 2 into 1. 5 can be written as 5 into 1. 8 can be written as 2 cube. 14 can be written as 2 into 7. 20 can be written as 2 square into 5. How many 2's we got? 2 cube, 2 power 6, 2 power 7. 2 power 7 into 5 into 1, 5 square we got. So this can be written as 2 into 5 whole square into 2 power 5 into some other prime basis. How many zeros are there at this end? It is 2. It's a very easy question. I did it orally. I did this question orally. But if the question is the numbers are increasing, how to solve? Let us first understand this question, then develop the question. How to find the number of trailing zeros if the series is in AP and the number of numerical terms are getting multiplied? Number of numerical terms are getting multiplied. This is the traditional method. Traditional method is nothing but a counting method. I am just counting here. This is not the optimal method. This is not the optimal method. Let us find out an optimal method for a simple problem, and let us increase the level of difficulty of this question. Traditional method, I hope it is clear. Now, optimal method. Now listen carefully. Question is 2 into 5 into 8 into 11 into 14 into 17 into 20. How, if this question is given to me, how I'll solve this question? A and C method, which is very logical. Whenever I write Anil Nair's method, I am referring to the logical approach to solve the question. Logical approach, or a student must know this approach. 2 into 5 into 8 into 11 into 14 into 17 into 20. Step number 1. If you observe, the series is in AP. First term it is 2. Difference it is 3. All the terms difference it is 3. So Tn equivalent to A plus n minus 1 into D. If the series is in arithmetic progression, nth term is given by A plus n minus 1 into D. So it is 2 plus n minus 1 into 3. So these 3n minus 1. 3n minus 1. I found out the nth term, which is 3n minus 1. A corresponds to the first term, D corresponds to the difference between two consecutive. 2 plus n minus 1 into 3. Now, if you observe here, n value, if I substitute 1, 3 minus 1, 2. N value 2, 6 minus 1, 5. N value 3, 9 minus 1, 8. N value can range from 1 to 7. Am I right? If I keep n value 7, 3 7s are 21 minus 1. 21 minus 1, it is 20. 21 minus 1, it is 20. Are you all with me? Right? So 1 less than or equivalent to n less than or equivalent to 7. Step number 2. Step number 2. Here 2 is there. Here 2 multiple it is there. Here 2 multiple it is there. Here 2 multiple it is there. Totally on 4 terms, 2 multiples it is there. But on 5, here 1 multiple of 5 is there. Here 1 multiple of 5 is there. That means easily power of 5 is less than power of 2. Power of 5 is less than power of 2. Are you all with me? Power of 5 will be less than power of 2. So I require a multiple of 5. So 3n minus 1. I can get the answer from the multiple of 5 only. So it is 5a. 3n minus 1 is equivalent to 5a. Why? Because from 5 multiples only I will get the answer. I hope it is clear. If you see 1, 2, 3, 4, there are 4 terms which belong to the multiples of 2. There are 2 terms which belongs to the multiples of 5. Because there are less number of terms which belong to the multiples of 5. Only by taking we will get the answer. Multiples of 5 is 5a. So 3n equivalent to 5a plus 1. So 3n equivalent to 3a plus 2a plus 1. Is it clear? D is a multiple of 3. D is a multiple of 3. 2a plus 1 should be a multiple of 3. A minimum value, it is 1. A minimum value, it is 1. What will be the lowest term? It is 5. 5 plus LCM of 3 comma 5 into k. Because it is divisible by 3, it is divisible by 5. So the form of the number is 5 plus 15k. K value 0, 5. K value 1, 20. K value 2, I will get 35. 35 is exceeding 20. So how many we got? Here 1 multiple, here 1 multiple. 1 plus 1, answer is 2. Especially if the series is extremely large, you can use this beautiful approach. Again, I am saying you, 2, 5, 8, 11, 14, 17, 20. The series is in arithmetic progression. Difference 3. So nth term I found out. Nth term is 3n minus 1. N less than or equivalent to n less than or equivalent to 7. Multiples of 5 are less than multiples of 2. So 3n minus 1, it is 5a. 3n equivalent to 5a plus 1, 3n equivalent to 3a plus 2a plus 1. Multiple of 3, multiple of 3. 2a plus 1 should be a multiple of 3. A minimum, it is 1. So 5 ones are 5. And after this number is divisible by 3, divisible by 5. So the number should be divisible by 3 and 5. 5 plus 15k. K0, I got 5. K1, 20. 20, there is a 1 power of 5. 5, there is 1 power of 5. So 1 plus 1, answer will be 2. Especially, this is an extremely important approach. If you are solving questions like this, 1 into 4, 5 into 4 into 7 into 10, and so on up to 31. And so on up to 31. And so on up to 31. Now see here. We will use it. We will not use any counting process. Step number 1. These terms are in AP. Tn equivalent to A plus n minus 1 into D. Are you all with me? So Tn equivalent to A plus n minus 1 into difference, it is 3. So 1 plus n minus 1 into 3. This is 3n minus 2. 3n minus 2. N can start from 1. N can it take 10? 30 minus 2, 28. 3 11s are 33 minus 2, 31. 1 less than or equivalent to n less than or equivalent to 11. I hope it is clear. Step number 2. Step number 2. If you observe closely, here multiples of 2, here multiples of 2. So powers of 5. Powers of 5 is less than powers of 2. So I will always concentrate on the multiples of 5. Multiples of 5. Step number 3. Listen carefully, sir. Step number 3. 3n minus 2. Either it can be a multiple of 5. Step number 4. It can also be a multiple of 25. 25 it is also a power of 5. Are you all with me? Why I did not took power multiple of 25? It is stopping at 20. 25 contains extra 5, right? That also we need to count. So 3n equivalent to 5a plus 2. 5a plus 2. 3n equivalent to 3a plus 2 into a plus 1. 2 into a plus 1. Now if you observe closely, divisible by 3, divisible by 3. This should be divisible by 3. A plus 1 is divisible by 3. A minimum, it is 2. A minimum 2. So the lowest number which when divided by 5 perfectly divisible, and it is also of the form 3n minus 2. 3 4s are 12 minus 2. So the number is divisible by 10 plus LCM of 3 comma 5 into k. So first it is 10. Next it will be k value 15, 25. Next it will be 15, 40. I hope it is clear. K value 0, 10. 10 is present in the series. K value 1. K value 1, 15 plus 10. 15 plus 10 is 25. K value 2, 30 plus 10. 10 and 25. 10 and 25. I hope it is clear. Now, here it is 5 into 2 and it is 5 into 5. There are two multiples of 5. 3n equivalent to 25b plus 2. So this can be written as 24b plus b plus 2. So this will be divisible by 3, divisible by 3. B minimum will be 1. If B minimum, it is 1. B minimum, it is 1. 25 ones are 25. Plus it is divisible by 3 and 25. K value 0, 25. K value 1, 75 plus 25, 100. 100, it is a exceeding 31. So in 25, there is another power of 5. So 2 plus 1, answer for this question is 3. Answer for this question, it is 3. I hope the logic, it is clear. Is the logic clear? I'm sure it should be clear to you. Power of 5 is less than power of 2. Even if you solve it orally, this will be, what will be the series? 1 into, 4 into, 7 into, 10 into, 13 into, 16 into, 19 into, 22 into, 25 into, 28 into 31. 28 into 31. So here, if you observe here, in 25, how many multiples of 5 are there? Only one I am taking here and another one you are taking here. 25 is 5 square. Here, 5 multiples I am taking, another 25 multiples I am taking. So separately only I am taking. Let us see whether we are getting 3. Only powers of 5 I require. I don't need any of this. 10 is 5 into 2. 25 is 5 square. 2 plus 1, answer is 3. Are you all with me? Answer, it is 3. First I will do power of 5. Then I will do power of 25. Then I will do power of 125. All these I will add it. It's a very, very important variety of questions which are very, very close to the CAT level. This kind of questions comes under the intermediate to the advanced level. I hope the idea, it is clear. Let us do 2 more questions for us to understand it. If the series is in AP, find out the nth term and equate it with